Welcome to Miles and Maddox Mania.
Hey everyone! Today we're making
Play-Doh.
What are we making?
Play-Doh.
Did you know that you can make Play-Doh at home? Did you know?
Yeah.
All right. So we have our ingredients here. We have our salt, we have our flour, our food coloring, our measuring cups, and our measuring spoons, right? We're gonna use all of these things. All right, guys, you ready? Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need is 2 cups of flour.
Flour, shake.
Now
shake.
flour is gonna be very, very messy. So we gotta be very careful, but it's okay to make a mess sometimes. You can just pick it up. See that? Already making a
But that takes
mess.
for a long time.
And we need our pot.
A big giant pot. Mama.
Yes?
I like this one.
Okay, we're gonna do it, okay? So we need, do you remember how many cups? I forgot.
2.
Oh, that's right, it was 2 cups of flour. All right, Miles, do you wanna pour it into the pot?
Super cool. Hey-ya! Oh, wait.
All right.
Wait.
It's okay.
Oh my god. It looks like a now my turn.
Your turn. Okay, you ready, Maddox?
Yes.
Hold it right there.
Now it got even bigger.
Yeah.
Got a bigger
All right,
like
can I put
slow.
this here so that we don't make another mess?
No more messes for kids anymore. With Donkey Kong.
Okay.
No Donkey Kong mess.
Our next thing that we need is salt. Do you think salt tastes sweet?
No.
No, it doesn't taste sweet.
It will make you sneeze forever.
Well, it'll make you sneeze. I think that's pepper. What color salt? Do you know what color the salt is? Inside? It's what? Oh, good job.
Because you'll sneeze and you will get sick.
All right, so we need 3/4 cup of salt. So you want to
Okay.
pour it, Miles, and then I'll tell you when to stop, okay? We're gonna go up into this line. Look, it says 3/4. Go, pour. Go, go, Miles, go, Miles, go, Miles, go, Miles, go, go, go. Let me see. Now we're gonna make sure. Go ahead, keep pouring, go. Now, did you see what I did? I shook it a little bit so that the salt flattened out so we can see the exact measurement. See now, let's flatten it out. Shake the cup a little bit, Miles. A little bit.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
We still need a little bit more, right? Go, keep going.
Maybe, how am I gonna make Play-Doh like this?
You're gonna do the oil. That's gonna be next, okay?
I could do
A
oil,
little bit more.
green, what? Okay, I'm getting a little bit tired of that. I have to put so much salt.
Okay, let's let Maddox pour it in. You ready?
Yeah.
Pour it in.
Marley, look at the camera.
What did you say, Marty? Since our last video, we've had a newcomer to the family. You guys want to show everyone Marty?
Yeah.
We'll make it quick, guys.
It's Marley! Marley.
Who's this?
Oh yeah, thank you everybody. Nice to meet you. This is Maddox. You're very welcome from this. I'm very welcome to this video.
All right.
Thank you. It's a video. Oh yeah.
Stop, Marty.
Marley was dancing like a goo.
Okay. So now,
I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Sorry about that. I don't like so many bubbles are coming out.
all right. So next is 4 teaspoons of cream of
What?
Charmander.
Aw, I don't try to remember.
So this one says
I wish we
1. Let's count. We need 4. Ready? 2. Go. 3.
4.
And 4. It's okay if it's a little bit extra.
And it's
Close it up.
So it doesn't get everywhere.
Now we need 2 cups of warm water.
I
So we're
go
gonna go up into the 2.
do it. I go do it.
Let Mama get the warm water.
Hey, yeah. Nah. Okay, I did a little bit better. Wait, yellow sugar in my hand?
Alright. Now's his turn to pour it in. Go. Okay.
Whoa, it changed like a plate. Then my turn.
And then the last thing, Maddox, we're gonna put in the vegetable oil. We need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
2 special. Cook. Let's cook. 2.
It's a brand new bottle just for this project.
So we're out for that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Mama's gonna pour it and you put it inside the bowl. Go. 3, 2, 1. You gonna do the next one? You ready? Go. Pour it in. So the next part, we need to turn on the stove. Should kids do the stove by themselves?
No.
No. Who do they need with them?
Grown up.
A grown-up.
Please do it for me. Grown up.
All right,
I
so
want to see you got it.
hands off the stove, everyone. Don't touch. You gotta let it warm up. And we're gonna mix. Okay, I'm gonna put it some on yours. Don't touch it, it's very hot. Some on yours, okay?
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's like a monkey. Mine just looks like a squid. Like Mario.
Squid?
Yeah, like Mario. That is in Mario Kart. I touched it with.
Now you should have an adult kneading the Play-Doh just to get any lumps out. Roll it.
And make it to cool.
Okay.
Warm. It's hot still.
It's just warm, but don't touch it, okay? That one's ready. Now in order to experiment with different colors, I'm gonna break it up into 3 sections for the boys. Okay? And we're gonna add the colors to it. We're gonna make little holes in the middle just so that the colors go right there.
You forgot this one.
Oh, it's hard, don't touch it.
I did touch it once, but you wasn't paying attention on me.
Maddox is gonna get 3 different ones. So we have to think about 3 different colors that we want.
I want these colors.
We have 4 colors there. We have red, yellow, green, and blue. And we can make some new colors with our primary colors, right?
Is there hot still?
We can make purple, we can make orange.
But ordinary colors make these colors.
Or what?
I want red and secondary colors. I want red and green.
So you want red? So ready, Maddox? You're gonna put 3 drops of red inside that circle. 3, ready? 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Don't touch it.
It's like a donut, like red.
What other color do you want, Maddox? Green? Ready? Go. 3 drops. Here you go. In the middle one. Go. Count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're already starting? What color are you doing?
I did yellow, and I added blue and green.
Okay, now Maddox finish his colors and we'll do yours. Did you do 3?
Next is
Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't touch it yet, Maddox, okay?
I forgot.
Okay, what color are you doing now?
red and green.
Red and green. What color do red and green make?
I don't know.
Okay.
Red and green.
You're gonna see what color they make?
I want to make these colors.
What colors do blue and red make?
Purple.
Mama's favorite color. Here you go.
My favorite color too.
You like purple too? So ready? 1, 2.
Why is it so
Go.
dark?
2.
It's really dark.
Again. 3. Now do the red one. Now Maddox, ready? While Miles finishes up his, we're gonna fold these. And we're gonna have to mix them soon, okay? So we can get some color in. You'll see. The red already in here? Okay, what's gonna be the last one? Green? Okay, go.
I will green too and purple and yellow.
Okay, ready, Maddox? So I'm gonna use Maddox's first one as an example, okay? Our hands are gonna get full of colors. Are you ready? Okay. We're gonna mix. Ooh.
Now wait, I did 3 dots.
Okay. Ready, Maddox? Go pick that up. Start mixing it. You can probably add a little bit more food coloring to this to make it a little bit more red.
Oh my god. I can try.
Yes, fold it. It's squishy.
Is it mixing
It's
too
going to mix now. Just keep going.
It's starting to do it.
See it? Yellow's a little light. So remember.
So I
Break it apart. Put your fingers inside. See it? Go, go. Keep going. There you go. You see the yellow?
Let's see it.
Go. Okay, we got This is red. You need blue? You
Yeah.
want me to help you?
Yeah.
Ooh, you flattened it. Oh, there's the green. Yeah. Good job. Keep going.
I'm doing it by myself.
Great job.
I wasn't also paying attention.
Probably add a little bit more green too.
Uh,
Marley.
no crying.
Marley.
I make flat. I make it flat.
You made it flat. You can put a little bit more yellow if you want.
Look, it's me. Look, Mama.
Oh, nice. Look at this one.
This is it's gonna be Miles.
And your last color? What was your last color? Do you remember?
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, so this is in the top, so I'm going
Nice.
to do that. Oh, wait, it's getting now. I think I'm gonna help out with it.
Now this is the gel food coloring. I got the wrong one in the store, but it still works.
Mario!
More than the liquid one.
What's the bird?
It's okay, just put it in the Play-Doh. Come on. Oh, the blue one is very blue, Maddox. Look at this one.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, what, guys? This doesn't look like Play-Doh.
Does it look like Play-Doh?
It's kind of like Play-Doh.
Keep mixing it. Come on.
I need also help.
I'm gonna do this one since my hands are blue already.
Hey!
And then I'll help you with the
There's
other
no
one.
space for red anymore. Okay, I hope it just get messy.
Ooh, look at this. I need more red. Ooh,
What?
nice.
Whoa. Ew. Disgusting.
Nice
It's
job,
getting all the
Maddox.
way to my hands. Oh! I did it!
Nice.
Get that yellow off. Then I will start to do
Go,
this.
go, start doing the
Wait.
green. You might need to put more green if you want.
I'll put one of these.
Not all of it. Just don't mix them.
Oh.
Don't mix them yet.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay, just separate it.
Okay. Now just pay attention to what you're doing. It's drying.
you just want to pick one color to have all of your Play-Doh the same color, you could have put it in a pot while it was boiling and mixing it, and it would have been not as messy as what we're doing right now. But since we wanted to show all the different colors,
Getting yellow from my hand.
it's okay. Go. Just keep going.
It's okay. You can have paint in your hands. You want? You can have. You can. It's okay. You can have messy fingers. You want?
Yeah, it's okay to be messy because we can just wash our hands after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's it.
Keep going.
That's making my hands green now. My hands are blue.
Oh no.
And your hands are very purple.
Very blue. I look like a Smurf.
I know.
Keep mixing.
Ma.
That's a cool green.
It says white green and that was dark green.
You can put a little bit more green if you want. You
I
want a
want
little
more
bit
green. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Oh, thank you. That's more green.
More green?
Your hands are all
Yeah, my hands are blue, so I can't do it. You have to do it by yourself.
Don't now. I will be believing you.
You'll believe in him. That's so sweet. Go fold it. Fold it.
Hold it.
Keep going.
Pretend you're playing
There
it.
you go.
Play it.
Take it away from the blue. Keep going.
Go Maddox.
Go Maddox. Go Maddox. I can't touch it, or if not, I'm gonna get blue all over it. All right. So that's it. We made our Play-Doh. We have at least 6 piles right now. Like I said, you can make one color in a pot, less mess. But we had enough to make 3 different piles for each boy, so they can pick the colors that they wanted. And this Play-Doh, if you put in a Ziploc bag, it's good for 3 months. It won't get hard. It won't start crumbling apart like normal Play-Doh. That's what the salt and the cream of tartar are for, to help it not separate and crumble to pieces. And it lasts a lot longer.
Mama, look.
All right, everyone.
Red, blue, green.
Hey, Miles, I need you over here. That Ziploc bag is way too big. It's okay. We're gonna play with them first for a little while, and then we'll put them away in the Ziploc bags. Okay? All right, boys. Show everyone.